board. And again, the mood board is just samples of things that inspire me, colors, textures. I put some typefaces on here that I think might be appropriate for my project. And again, a range of colors that appeal to me. And just some images of things I'm interested in. So I like, looks like art and soccer and Formula One and food and synthesizers. So each one of these is just a picture that I've dragged into my mood board. Some came from the web, some came from my own photo files, etc. The type, I just went through all my typefaces. Some these are ones that I had on this computer. You can also find type samples on the web you might take screenshots of or download fonts, etc. So I've just assembled this thing. It's an 8.5 by 11 document, and now I'm going to save it. And in this case, instead of my normal save, I've already saved it, so I could do a save as. Save as only gives me a limited range of choices, and none of those are really appropriate for what I want to do with this, so I'll cancel that. And what I'm going to do is go down to export. There's several exports on here, and the one that we'll use this time, keep it as simple as possible, is simply export as. And when I do that, one of my choices is JPEG. You have to scroll to find it, but they default to JPEG. And I need to tell it where I want to put it. So I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to call it, I'll use my initials, and I'll call it logo project. And I'm just going to save that on the desktop, create it on the desktop, so there it is. And now I want to save my mood board into that folder. And again, I've selected JPEG, there's my folder, and I click export. It pops up another dialog box, and quality, we don't need real high quality for this, we'll put it somewhere in the middle. Since we're doing screen graphics for this, we might as well make it RGB. 72 pixels per inch is fine, and we don't really need to change anything else on there. And I'll click OK. When I did that, it saved a copy. Again, a JPEG is a flattened image. It's just pixels at this point. It's no longer an Illustrator document. It's also much smaller than my Illustrator document would be, which means it would be easy to upload to D2L. So the next step is to go to D2L. And so I can open my browser. I've already logged into D2L, which you will have done as well. And there's my classes. I want to go to Digital Foundations. And then we've got these tabs up at the top. And the one we want is Communications. And we go down to Discussions. Click it. And I've created a post here for mood boards. I click on that. And there's already some here, that's great. So when you get logged in, look at other people's work as well. But to post mine, I'm going to start new thread. And it says enter a subject. So with subject, I'm going to do my name. And I'll call it mood board sample. And now it wants me to post. And among my choices here for post is a little picture icon, so I'm going to insert an image. I'll go to my computer, and I could either find it on the desktop and drag it in here, or I can click upload. So I'm going to click upload, go to my desktop, and find my mood board. There it is in my logo project folder. Choose it, and I'm going to add as an attachment and click Add. Alternative text, I don't need any. It's required, I guess I do need it. And click OK. And then I need to actually post it. So I click Post, and there it is.